Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In this video, we will be going over how to declare foreign income. To report foreign income on your tax return, first make sure you have created a new return and filled out all the necessary information. Then, navigate to the What Happened for You in the Tax Year section under Income. Scroll down until you see the question, Did you have any income outside of Canada? And select Yes. This will bring up foreign income under What Happened for You in the Tax Year on the left. Click on this to access the Foreign Income and Tax Credits page. From there, choose the country where you earned your foreign income from the drop-down box. In this example, we will be using France. In the next box, please select the type of income you have received. Depending on your selection, you may notice a blue banner at the bottom that says, TaxTron will only report this income and any foreign taxes paid on so-and-so form. Please make sure to report this income on so-and-so statement or schedule. In addition to completing this page, it is important to also provide the additional information specified in the blue banner. For instance, if you choose rental income from the drop-down menu, you must also prepare a rental income statement. To see how to fill out a rental income statement using TaxTron Web, you can refer to our tutorial video on that topic on our YouTube channel. When filling out the description box for your income, you can provide a brief explanation of the amount received. If the income is in Canadian dollars, there is no need to enter the exchange rate. However, if it is in a different currency, you must input the exchange rate into the designated box or by selecting it from the drop-down menu. TaxTron Web will take care of converting the currency to Canadian dollars automatically for you. You will then need to provide information about your foreign income and the foreign taxes you paid. Simply fill in the corresponding boxes with the necessary amounts. In this example, we'll report foreign pension income using the exchange rate of the euro from the drop-down menu. Specifically, we'll report an income of 10,000 euros. Once you input this information, the total income displayed here will update to reflect the foreign income you reported. Next, we need to input the foreign taxes paid, such as 1,000 euros. Additionally, if there is a tax treaty deduction, it can be entered in the following box. Now, upon inspecting the detailed tax return summary in the income section, both foreign income and employment income are now included under the income section. Additionally, note that the taxpayer is also eligible for federal and provincial foreign tax credits. You are now ready to fill out any other statements that you may have to enter based on the blue banner at the bottom. If you have more than one type of foreign income, you can click on this plus symbol and fill out the next tab in the same manner we have filled out the previous. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.